Exercise of multiplication of integers. So in this video we will do some exercises based on multiplication of integers. And if you have not watched the intro of multiplication of integers, how to solve this, so we have done that with complete explanation. So first of all, you must watch that. This link is in description. So the first question is to multiply these things. Here we only have an expression of two numbers. Okay, we have only two digits. Okay, so if you have to simple multiply, and we know that in multiplication sign does not affect the product. Okay, but sign affect the sign affect the sign but not the product. So we will simply do multiply in all of them, and the sign depends whether they are like or unlike. So 18 by minus 16, this we can write it as 18 into minus 16. Okay, we have to solve this. So we will multiply it as we normally do, like this. So 6 8 is 48. This will be, here will come 4. So 6 is 6 plus 1 is 108 into 80, 18. So we will get 288 according to me. Okay. So 288, and the sign will come off minus, as this is unlike, because this is positive and this is negative. This is unlike, so we will get negative answer. Okay, so just a minute, let's check the answer. Is it correct? I think it is wrong. 18 by minus 10, I think I've done something wrong in this. Okay, let's check just for a minute. 18 by 16. 18 into 16. Yes, it will give us 288 only. This is correct. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, it is correct answer. It will give you minus 288. Now let's go on to the next question. This is minus 228 by 1, and I wanted to solve side by side. Okay, so minus 20 by 1. So we will first of all write it in the simplify like this, and then simply we will get 28, and then minus it, because this is the sign of minus, and this is negative and this is positive, so the sign will come off negative. Okay, and then minus 60 by minus 1. So how we will do the same. Okay, same like we will do this. And suppose if you have a question like minus 1 by minus 60, your answer will be same. Okay, your answer will be same in that case also. Okay, so in this one you will get minus 60 into minus 1. Okay, but in divide it can be different, but in a sorry, in addition, subtraction, or in anything it can be different, but not in the multiplication. Okay, so minus 60 into minus 1. So we'll get simply 60. We know that 60 will go because 60 1 is 60. Okay, and then this is like, so we'll keep it positive. Okay, because both are negative, so it is the same signs. Now this one, minus 25 by 3. What will get minus 25 into 3. Then you can now 25 into 3, we will get 75. Right, because 25, the square of 25 is 50, and then 50 plus 25 is 75. And this is unlike expression, this is unlike signs. We have unlike signs in this. So this is negative, this is positive, so we will give it negative. Okay. Minus 35 is 0. So here we will get only 0. Okay, because we know if we multiply any number with 0, suppose 2 into 0, okay, 2 into 0, you will get 0 only. And we know that sign cannot affect, sorry, the sign cannot affect the product, so it will be 0 only. In this also it will be 0 because we cannot put, if you have watched episode 1, then you would be knowing that uh, 0, we cannot put any sign with 0. 0 is 0, 0 is the king, and we cannot do any chedkhani with that king. We need to keep it as it is. 0 is 0, no plus sign, no minus sign. Okay, now let's move on to the third slide. It is simplified. Now this is the second question. Okay, and here we have to simplify, or you can say find the product of, okay, find the product of following. Okay, so here we have more than two digits. We have to multiply more than two digits. So how we do? We know that we can break down it. Okay, we can make pairs. हम पहले इतना part solve कर सकते हैं, then we can bring down that part. Okay, so first of all 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, you will get 12 here, and then you can bring it down. Okay, you don't have to make this arrow. I'm just doing this to explain you. Okay, 12 into minus 5. Now 12 is a 60. Minus 60 because this is an unlike sign. So this is positive, this is negative, unlike. Okay, so this will be a negative. Okay, so let's check it also. This is 3 into, okay, just a minute. Let's check this because I don't want you to go to it 01. So yes, it is minus 60 only. Okay, now the next question. It is 2 into 5 into minus 6. So first of all, let's write it down here. And if you have any doubt, you can drop a comment, and I'll try to clear your doubt uh, uh, in the comment, or I can tell in the next video. Okay, if you have any doubt related to this concept, okay, if any question of this video or in multiplication division. Okay, and so 2 into minus 5, first of all, let's solve this part. Okay, 2 5 is 10. This will give you minus 10 into minus 6. This will give you 60 plus 60 because this is like minus 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 minus, these both are same, so it will make positive. This question now. So minus 5 into minus 8 into minus 3. So minus 5 into 8 is, first of all, we'll solve this much part. So 5 8 is 40. Okay, this is 40. So, and this is minus minus. It is like, so we will put it as it is. Okay. And then into minus 3. Okay, bring it as it is. Okay, because we have not solved this into sign, so you need to bring this also over with this product. Okay, so 40 into 3. 43 is a, what it will be. So for the square, okay, you can simply say 4 3s are 4 3s is 12, and just put the 0, so you get 120. Okay. Let me write it. Okay. Minus 120 because this is positive, this is negative, it is unlike. Okay, now this minus 6 into 6. First of all, this much part 6 6 6 6 will give 26 minus 36. Okay, so this will give you 360 plus 360, and I don't think that I should now explain you why 360 has come like about like and all these things, because I have said this so many times and I don't think that now you are able to understand without telling. Okay, so 36. Okay, so 36. Okay. Now the last one, and first of all this part 7 into minus 8. So what you will get? 7 8s are 7 8s will give you 56 minus 56 into 3. Now 56 into 3 you have to multiply this. Now this is a bigger one, so you need to multiply this. Okay, so 2 6 are 18, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16, 168 minus 168 because this is unlike. Okay, and let's check it whether it would have been correct or not. 168 into, yes, it is correct. Now we have to simplify more than 3. So in this we have done 3 and here more than 3. Okay, in here we have to do more than 3. So minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 8. So we can, as it is 4, we can make pairs. Okay, here we can make pairs of 2 2. We can make a pair of 2 2. Okay, so here in 4 we can make pair, and suppose if it is odd, then you can make pair of 2, pair of 2, and then bring it down as it is. Okay, so first of all this much part minus 4 4 5s are 20. Minus minus will convert into plus, that is will give positive. Okay, because it is like, and then into minus 8 into 10 it, so you get 80. So 2 8 is it is a 16, so you get 1600. Okay, am I correct? Let's check this. Okay, so this is minus 4 in uh, into minus 5 into minus 8 into minus 10. Yes, it is correct. Now move on to the next part. So minus 6 into minus 5 into minus 7 into minus 2 into minus 3. This is quite big, but we have to solve this by breaking down into pairs. Okay, let's solve this much first. Minus 6 into minus 5. What will get? 6 5s are 30. This is like, so we'll give it positive into 7 to the 14. Like so, this is like positive, and then bring it as it is. Okay, bring this as it is. Okay, now make again a pair of these two. Okay, you don't have to show this line by of making the pair. You just do it in your mind. Okay, this is just to do in your mind so that you can do it, not get confused. So 30 into 14. So we have to multiply this 30 into 14, and when you will multiply this, you will get 420 as your answer. Okay, and then bring it down. Now 420 into 1 into 3 was 420 into minus 3. Minus 1260. You'll get minus 1260. Okay, and let's check if we have done correct or not. Okay, so the question is very long. So we need to check because this is very long question. So if we have made any mistake in any part of the question, it can make the complete question, a complete solution, wrong. Okay, so yes, this is correct. Okay, now let's move to the interesting part, that is these four questions. Okay, so then this types of questions: minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into 6 times means this again 6 times. Okay, not with you don't have to multiply with 6, but you have to multiply it 6 times. Okay, so let me help you with this question. So you first of all solve this much part. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So you will get so this will first set of two, this will create plus positive because this is like, and then positive with negative, so it will give you unlike, so it will be negative. So minus 27. Okay, minus 27 into 3. Okay, you have to do this 6 times. Okay, so minus 27 into 3, so this will be 3 7. Okay, so 27 into 3 will give us 3 7s are 21. 3 to the 6 is 8. Minus 27 into minus 81. Hmm, this. Okay, so no, it will give a plus because we have to multiply with minus 3. ओके माइनस 3 है तो माइनस 3 को ही हम 3 के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है जो भी आएगा, ठीक है. now this 81 again with minus 3. now we have now we are left with 5 times. Okay, so this is so much. 3 and then 3 it's 24. now minus 243. This will minus minus will create plus, and this will be 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 2 6 plus 1 7. Sorry, plus 7 21. Okay, so now we are left with 3 times. So this is so much. So I think that that is 6 times. Okay, no, not 6 times. It is 729 only your answer. Okay, here 6 times is because already we covered the 3, so we'll left with 3 only. Okay, so just wait for a second. So 721 is the answer. Okay, because इतना हमने कर दिया माइनस into 6 times, मतलब ये जो नंबर है this complete is of 6. Okay, this complete is minus 3 into 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 minus 3. Okay, like this it is. Okay, That is here we are left with 729. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Here 5 5 is a 25. 25 into minus 5. 25 5 is a, what we will get? Just a minute. 25 into 5. 125. And this is 125 again with minus 5. Uh, I think there's a mistake. So minus. Okay, so minus 25 into. So we will get minus 25 into minus 5. Right, so we'll get 125. And then this positive 125 with minus 5. We'll get minus 625. Okay, and then again this minus 625 with 5, we are left with minus 325. Okay, because I told you that if this is written 5 times, so that doesn't mean that uh, uh, one more series of 5. No, if 5 times means complete complete is of 5 digits, complete is of 5 digits, just like here it's complete with 6 digits. So here 3 are already given, so just add 2 more minus 5s and then multiply it. Okay, and here 1. इधर हमें पता है that answer will be 1 only in both of them, but sign will be different as 1 into 1, चाहे कितनी बार भी कर लो, 1 to 1 into 1 into 1 कितनी बार भी कर लो, but answer will be 1 only. But sign different होगा, okay, sign will be different. So 1 into 1 into 1. Now, instead of solving this and checking out the sign, you can do one thing, that 200 हमारे पास, and this 200 is a even number. Okay, this is even. So we will keep it positive. Okay, you will keep it positive. And then if this is odd, so you will make it negative. Okay, or negative. Okay, remember this. Okay, अगर even है तो odd, sorry even है तो plus sign, and odd है तो minus sign. Okay, what will be the sign of the product if we multiply 90 negative integers and 9 positive integers? मतलब अगर नंबर का साइन क्या होगा, प्रोडक्ट का साइन क्या होगा? इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 90 नेगेटिव, हमें ये नहीं पता कि कितने, मतलब वो नंबर कौन सा है. हम 90 नेगेटिव, हमें पता है कि वो जितने जो भी नंबर है, चाहे वो 5 हो सकता है, 9 हो सकता है, कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है. ठीक है, हमें सिर्फ साइन के बारे में बताना है. यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ साइन बताना है कि साइन क्या होगा. हमें कोई कैलकुलेशन से नॉल नहीं देखनी, आपको बस ये देखना है कि 90 नेगेटिव है और 9 पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव चाहे कुछ भी, पॉजिटिव से आपका साइन इफेक्ट नहीं होता. हम बोले कि पॉजिटिव साइन से साइन इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. ओके, वट एवर मे बी द number of the positive integers, it will not affect the sign of the product. Okay, and the negative, there are 90 negative numbers, and this 90 is an odd number, sorry, even number. So your answer will be positive. Okay, so the sign will be just a minute. This is 90 negative. There is a mistake in this question. So just let me check the question. I think it will be positive. 90 is a even number. Okay, let me confirm and tell you. Just wait for 1 second. Yes, it is positive. Positive is correct. Okay, it is positive. Positive will not affect the number. Positive चाहे कोई भी number हो, positive sign से it cannot affect, but negative sign से it can affect. So I'll just look at the number. If that negative number that you are given, that negative integers means those negative, that number is even or odd. Okay. So what will be the sign of the product if we multiply 103 negative integers and 65? Positive positive does not affect, negative affects. So negative का number देखो, this is odd. So it will be what? It will be negative. Okay. Now let's quickly move on to this question. So in this we have addition also. So I'm just solving one part for you, and then this part is your homework. Okay. I'll solve just this part for you. Okay, just look at here. I'm solving this part here. Okay, so minus 8 into 9. Make the pairs. So first of all, minus 8 into 9. 8 9 is 72. Minus 72. And then plus minus 8 into 7. Sorry. So 8 7 8 will give 63. Right? No, sorry. Not. It will give 56. 56. Sorry. It will give minus 56. Minus 72. Minus 56. Perfect. Now simply add this up. Simply add this up. Okay. So now I've told you the process, and now let's, because we are the video is going so long, so I'm not going to solve much. So that is your homework. Okay. So in a class test containing 20 questions, this question is very important. So okay, so pay attention here. So, in a class test containing 20 questions, ठीक है, एक टेस्ट में 20 questions are there. Okay, a class test at 20 questions and 4 marks uh, are of for every correct answer. It means 4 marks were awarded for every correct answer. हर correct answer के लिए the person has got 4 marks, and for every incorrect answer the person has got minus 2 marks. Okay, and 0 marks for the questions that are missed or not attempted, मतलब जो नहीं attempt किए, जो नहीं solve किए questions, उनके जिनका आंसर नहीं लिखा. Okay, those questions के लिए they have awarded 0. So we have to find the scores of the children according to the correct and incorrect answers and according to the marks. So Ravi gets 3 correct and 7 incorrect answers. What is his score? उसने सारे questions attempt करे because uh, okay, sorry, here it will be 10. Okay, just suppose it is 10 questions because I just made a change in the question, but I forgot to make the change in this part of this. First of all, I made it 10, but then I made it 20. But uh, just suppose it is 10. Okay, just 10 questions. Okay, 10 questions. Just suppose it is 10 question. Okay, so Ravi gets 3 correct and 7 correct. So 3 plus 7 will give you 10, means he has attempted all the questions. Okay, correct के correct marks, correct उसने कितने दिए, उसने correct answer कितने दिए. Let's solve it here. Correct उसने दिए 3, right? Okay, and incorrect कितने हैं? 7. Okay, and now we have to multiply this with this sign. इनका sign के साथ we have to multiply. This is common sense, right? We multiply. This is common sense that we have to multiply. Okay, so 4 marks for correct answers means into 4, and for incorrect the marks awarded for incorrect, that is like this. Okay, then correct marks are 12. And incorrect के लिए we have 7 into minus 2, it will give you minus 14. Okay, and then add this up because करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट को ऐड करके ही तो पूरा टोटल स्कोर बनता है. वी कैन नॉट रिलीज द इनकरेक्ट वन. अगर हमें इनकरेक्ट के लिए अगर अगर इफ इट वुड बी द question that incorrect, for incorrect answers 0 marks is awarded, then 12 is the only answer. But we are given with the marks of incorrect, so we need to include this mark. So to make the total score we need to add this both. So 12 plus minus 14, but you will get 12 minus 14. Okay, you will get 12 minus 14, that is minus 2. Minus 2 marks here got. Okay, these types of questions are not seen in the daily basis because for incorrect answers we get 0 marks. But if they are giving an as minus 2, like negative marks for incorrect answers, so like this we solve this. Okay, now Renu gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect. Means 5 plus 10. Sare attempt kiya but 5 correct and 5 incorrect. So now we have to find her score. So Renu के correct कितने हैं? 5. Okay, so 5 into 4. Incorrect कितने हैं? That is 5 into minus 2. This will be 20. Okay, and then we have to add this up because we have to make the total score. We have to make the final score, and we need to include the marks. If we are given with the marks of incorrect, we need to include that. So that we need to add this. Okay, so we will get simply 10. 20 minus 10 is 10, so 10 marks she has got. Okay, now the last part. Let's quickly solve this. So Hina gets 2 correct. Hina के 2 correct है, 6 incorrect. 6 plus 2 is 8. Means उसने 2 answer attempt नहीं किए. उसके लिए we need to give her 0 marks for unattempted question. Okay. So correct कितने हैं उसके? Correct are 2 and incorrect are 6. Multiply with the scores. Multiply the marks that is awarded for the correct and incorrect. Okay. And then unattempted. First of all, let's solve this. For this. Now unattempted. Unattempted कितने हैं? 2. So 2 into 0. 0 marks है ना unattempted के लिए. So we will multiply it with 0. So we will get 0. Okay. So 8 plus minus 12 plus 0 is 0. This is not required. It is your choice. अगर आप इसको अच्छे से समझना चाहते हो, अगर आप प्रैक्टिकली इसको समझना चाहते हो, लॉजिकली समझना चाहते हो, then you can add this. If you want to understand why, so you can just add this also. That is your choice. But if you don't add, then also your answer will be same only. Okay, your answer will be same. Okay, so 8 minus 12. 8 plus minus 12. 8 minus 12 is, so 12 minus 8 is 4. Minus 1. Okay, thank you for watching. Find out more questions to practice from your book, or you can find from internet. Okay, find more and more questions and practice them. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel and also turn on the bell notification option so that you can, whenever the new video gets uploaded, you can get notified